Here's part 6 of cleaning out my closet. We're making macaroni and cheese. Here are all of the ingredients. Next, we have the ingredients we're getting rid of. And then we have all the cheeses. And here are the seasonings we're using, also what we're trying to get rid of. And here are the supplies. So we got sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, we have Monterey Jack, we have Kobe and Parmigiano Reggiano. And I got the Kobe and the Parmigiano Reggiano from the bins in the cheese bins at Kroger. And they were like $2 or whatever. Oh, and I got that jalapeno jack. I got that from Dollar Tree. And honestly, I put like maybe 8, 9, 10 cheeses up in here, and that's probably why it was oily. So of course, salt your water because we want everything to taste good. Then put your noodles in there. We're gonna start on our roux. If y'all need a recipe, use Chef Teeny Baby because I ain't got it. I just did 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, added milk and added cheese. I really don't be using the recipe, and that's why it be different every time. Oh, I also use cream cheese. Um, I was getting rid of that too. So yeah, we just added a whole bunch of stuff. So we're adding our milk, and we slowly doing it because we don't want no clumps. And you're supposed to wait till it gets thickened, but I didn't do that. I think the last time, oh, there go Rita, my sister. The last time I made macaroni and cheese, I think it was for the Dollar Tree video. I kept stirring and stirring and stirring out, and I didn't turn on the stove. I was like, why is it not thickening up? So yeah, that's the story of my life. So now we're gonna season it, add all our good seasonings. It still wasn't super thick, but also it's okay because adding the cheese and stuff, that be that be thickening it up. And I probably could have melted the cheeses a little bit more, but I didn't want it to curdle up on me by adding more of the cold cheese and turning the stove on. So, of course, season it, taste it, make sure it tastes good. And I like to add my seasonings before because I season a little heavy. And then I add my cheese, and usually I don't need to add too much more seasonings. See, I shouldn't even add that milk in there. That's probably also why it curdled up or whatever. But yeah, you don't want to add like cold stuff to this hot stuff. It just make it all wonky. So add a little bit more seasonings, and then we're gonna add our noodles. And it's a little thin. I really don't care. I don't like the big old thick chunky 3 eggs in the mac and cheese kind of thing. That's not my vibe. If your roux is not completely melted due to the cheese, that's what baking in the oven helps. It helps it melt the cheese a little bit more. So I put it for like 350, 375 until it was nice and melted. And then I put it on broil to get the dark cheesiness. But yeah, y'all, it was real good. Real tasty, real good. I loved it. I love macaroni. It just don't love me because I'm lactose intolerant. But thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.